What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made $500 in about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and see how it played out.
Every day I wake up, push it to the limit. No time for slowing down, got a dream I chase.
Now granted, I took this same trade on 2 other accounts, so I made more money, but for this particular video I just want to focus on this trade on this account. Now real quick before we start, just want to give a quick congratulations to Ludo Trades, who passed this Top Step Combine, who's a VIP member, and Shakir, who also not only hit his profit target for the year but doubled it, who's also a VIP member. So congratulations to Shakir and Ludo. Love to see all the progress you guys have made. You deserve every bit of your success. Now let's go ahead and dive into today's video. So you can see here from the screen that I'm already in profit. The trade is going in my direction, but you can see I'm setting up a second risk reward tool. And the reason is I'm telling myself, okay, if I actually put my stops here, then I can just get out right there for a 1 to 2. And I'm doing these replays for you guys to see that even as experienced traders, we still run into these psychological barriers where we're maybe nervous or want to close the trade, or we're having second thoughts. You can see here I'm hovering over the close position because I'm debating on closing my trade. But the crazy thing is that I've already set my parameters, and I've told myself, in fact, I promised myself and I promised God that any trade I ever took, I would commit to the trade. I'd either let it hit stop loss or I would let it hit take profit. No adjustments, no closing half, no moving my stops to break even, nothing. Full commitment. And if you guys want to see results in your trading career or in your trading journey, then you have to commit, because if not, you'll never be the trader that you want to be. All right, so I'm going to show you guys now how I broke this trade down, or basically what I analyzed to get in. All right, so you can see here I'm on the 1 minute chart. I'm a scalper, so this is how I trade. I went up to the 15. I usually go up to the 1 hour. And basically what happened was I was looking as you can see I've drawn these here. It was just to kind of give me an understanding of what price was going to do. You can see in the last couple of days we've been going up. So from Monday we were going all the way up, and then around Thursday we started to change direction. So I knew we were down. Why? Because price went from making higher highs and higher lows, right, to making lower lows, right, and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, lower low, and eventually we made our way all the way to this area. Okay, so for me that wasn't really that hard to see. I could see that we were going down. You can also see here prices following structure correctly. The last time price came into a zone or an area that seemed like support, it was around here, and price was pushing down. So I'm expecting price to break these lows, because when price is going down, right, it goes down, goes higher, it breaks the next low, goes higher a bit, breaks the next low, goes higher a bit, breaks the next low. That's basically all that happens. So I went down to the 1 minute and I just waited for price to follow and obey structure. So we can see right here, this is like the last level, right, that price is going to react to. And I just wanted to see what would happen here. I saw price had done this, and when I started seeing price kind of giving these type of candles, it's not an engulfing candle, but it's showing you a little bit of volume. So we have 1, 2, 3. By the time price did this, I knew that we were most likely going down. So I hopped into the trade. I hit sell, as you guys saw, put my stop loss above the recent swing high, and then put my TP at the 1 to 2. And that's pretty much it. That's how I trade every single day. Okay. Obviously I use different strategies, but for the most part, as you guys saw, that was it. Just like that. So it's really that simple. I know when people watch these analysis, they're expecting some sort of crazy breakdown. They want me to talk about the opening gap of the week and, some sort of weird technical term. But you guys, trading is price action, trend, and some sort of point of interest. Don't complicate your trading setup. Don't have too many things on your charts. Just learn to read price action, determine the trend, find a point of interest. You should be good. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Don't forget to join the Discord. It's free. Follow me on Instagram. And if you would like to also be one of the VIP members, then you can check out my website, which will be in the description below. All right. Take care. Love, peace, and safety. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.